I'm Render the One here by myself, and I'm gonna be doing, well, I'm just gonna be building a little town on our survival island map. Now, I know there isn't like a Havco hotel or huts of doom right there, but no, I had to restart with so it will be legit. So I'm gonna do it with spruce wood, glass, maybe some clay, bricks, and glowstone. So, yeah, still have the mushrooms where they were before, so don't worry about that. Wait, no, this is the mushroom hole. Where's the mushroom hole? Oh wait, I forgot, the mushroom hole was maddening, so yeah, I'll just make a mushroom hole like last time, so enjoy. So yeah, what I'm just doing here is trying to build this out a bit to get kind of out to sea a bit, so then I can so they aren't stuck at shore and can't get out. And then I'm gonna build like arbor shops and put villagers in places. Okay, so yeah, so how are you doing? Post that in the comments. What would you like me to do next? Because we're gonna be doing Let's Build like Shin. Except for it's not gonna be speed, whatever it's called, like sped up or whatever. Just legit old me and my legit screen flow. That's free. Now, if you have a Mac and you can't get Fraps, you can just download ScreenFlow and or buy it. It's about the same price as Fraps, and the free version is good, except for, as you can see, it says free version in every video you kind of make and post it somewhere. So, demo mode. So yeah, that's one thing. I bet even if you did get the full version, you'll probably say something somewhere. It won't be like 100% perfect. And yeah. So, how you doing? No. Hate when that happens. I'm thinking. So yeah, this is just gonna be a little boat dock, so all the goods can get here and back. From Havco Central to Havco Island. The best place on the planet. So yeah, that seems good enough, right? Now time to build the parts where the ships will go in. So, my idea is that a ship will be like 6 wide and let's say about 6 wide and 8 long. Let's see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's just one block apart from the walls, so the ship doesn't get stuck. Let's see. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I think this goes, yep. Okay, so this is where our first ship is going to be docked. Let me just go over here. The island of Spawn. I'll probably make something better, because if I ever put this on LAN. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hate it when you break rocks in water and it just like makes that weird thing. Let me show you over here so it won't look ugly. Watch. Okay, so if I do it right here, well, I mean, let's go. Gosh, zombie, I'm doing it. Oh, see, it just kind of like stays like that forever. There must be a cave down there that I never knew about. Okay, administration building. Let's use bricks on this one. You know, because I got the bricks out for a reason. And this texture pack clay looks like bricks, so these are kind of like refined clay, or whatever you want to call it. And the road will be made out of cobblestone. That's about it. So, when this video is over, I want you, if you do have a channel, or to post a comment on what you want me to put in this island, and if I like your idea, and it isn't weird, well, I mean, beyond my standards, I will, and also I will advertise your channel a bit, and like sort of talk about what you do, or if it's age appropriate or something, you know. Remember, I'm all about age appropriateness. You know, I'm kind of young. Don't say I'm like a 6-year-old or something, because that is 22% not true. You're kind of close. But no, you're not actually close. I was lying to make you feel good. So yeah, all about the age appropriate stuff here. And I will put the cafe right there and a little building for sleep in there. So don't worry, it's still gonna be the Havco Survival Island like, just not legit. Ah, beautiful, beautiful administration shack. Okay, so let me just get some torches. Where would that be again? I think it's decoration. Ah, here we go. A lantern. Boop. 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 And let me just place the grass in here. Oh, lag. So yeah, I'm kind of running out of things to say, so sorry, that was me. That was my mouth going making noises with my mouth. Iron door. Nah, let's go wooden. Administration office. And also looks like it's becoming, it's let's see. If I remember correctly, time set 0. Ah, here we go. Ha, eat that, son. Mouse is going crazy on me. So yeah, little house for administrating and... Ah, darn it. Goodbye, Dory. Hope to never see you again. Boop. Brick, 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 brick. Brick, brick, brick. Door for the administrating part. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. So yeah, and right here I'll probably put like a workbench and some chests and junk like that. But that's not going to be till later episodes, like the interior. So yeah, let's start with the roads. And if you want me to change the roads or add like some lamp posts, I'll do that. I'll try to at least. So let's see, the road should go over there a bit. Now remember, this is my first time building a full-on like little city. So criticize me as you want. But if you have anything bad to say, don't even think about saying it. I mean, you can think about saying it, but don't say it. Just type it in. Whatever you people do. So, yeah. That are the rules of my channel. Respect them. And the Havco server should be out soon. We'll tell you when it does eventually get out, but until then, you're just gonna have to wait in anticipation. I'm talking about you, Pick Miner. Yeah, I'm looking at you right now. And also Dakota 91. I'm watching you. I'm staring into your soul. So, squids! Oh, and also the official Havco texture pack is coming. And I'm not gonna give spoilers of what it has. All I can say is narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing all the commotion, cause they are so awesome. That's all I got to say. And yes, if you think you guess right, post it in the comments, and if you guess it right, I will tell you, and I will mention you in the next video. First one to answer correct wins, which will probably be a long time from now. So I shall be waiting that comment for 5,000 billion years. So when it does come, I'll be ready. So, and tell me if you like my videos, you know, post a comment of what you want me to do, if there's this really awesome survival server or like server you want me to check out, you know, just tell me, okay? I really like people asking me to do stuff. I mean, not like their homework for them or something silly like that. I mean, you know, what they want to see me play, like a Minecraft server, stuff. Yeah. Oh, hello, zombies. Hello, zombies. What's that? Eat that, zombie. I killed you with my bare fist. What's down here again? Nothing. This is almost like a relive. It's almost like I'm reliving the whole Survival Island experience. I think I'll make like a water canal right here, so I'm gonna have to look back at my videos to see like what I said and make sure I live up to that. So yeah. So if you want more Survival Island, give me some likes. You won't get more Survival Island without likes and positive comments. I mean ratings. Yeah. I'm talking to you, the Rusty Kid. So I think that'll be the end of the road for now. So, F1 mode. So this is what we got to do today. Not that much, but we're making progress. So, guess I'll see you next time. You are a HAVCO employee. You are a HAVCO employee. HAVCO employee. HAVCO employee. HAVCO.